virtue, right?
Yeah, he smiling his lips.
Kid 360, nigga.
You know, I'm finna kill this shit.
All we got is nightmares, nigga.
Shit. Tryna have a dream, tryna get in between. I'm tryna do my thing, nigga. This a fucking dream. I'm really ballin' hard, man. I really stay clean with the motherfucking scare. Bro, I can't do it now. Yeah. This the dream, bro. This the dream. This the dream part.
You got a fucking dream. You want the money. You gotta go with your team. Trust the ones you love. Fuck the ones you hate. Don't get played. Don't ever get fucking trade. I'm on this shit today. One time a year, like a holiday. I'm trying to do it every day. I stay trying to get paid. Flames, I really want it, gotta get it, never the one to blame. Y'all niggas handicapped, walking with that fucking crane. Shoot your ass down and I shoot you in your brains. Ooh, nasty ass bitch, she wanted this dick. I swear she got my clip. Ooh, she really fucking nasty. I don't want that bitch, man, I threw her in the trash. I'm trying to take off really fast. Big money, big cash. Ooh, I want this shit to fucking last all through the day. Trying to get money, trying to get it fucking played. But I'ma pass this shit today. Why this nigga run up on stage, trying to get the money.
Trying to get this motherfucking money. Nigga, it's a nightmare, you hear the devil coming. You already know I like to put it in the stomach. Shoot a pistol at your boy you get to running. No April Fool's to this bitch, nigga, I don't miss. You know I'm coming hard, nigga, feel this fucking pinch. Already know I'm King Smiley in this bitch. Man, I'm laughing at you niggas, cause y'all niggas really bitches. 360 on the shit, finna cut him up. Slice him down, cut his motherfucking nuts. You know my nigga Glocky finna stay shooting, bro. 40 hits him, have you fucking fooling him. Fucking gone, I'm really fucking strong. Man, I do this shit every day, I got my clone. You niggas really lost, you niggas need to go. I'ma pass it to Glocky and let him shoot all up his rounds.
Shoot up his rounds, I'ma kill that nigga, leave that nigga dead. I'ma run up straight, kill that nigga. I'ma fucking kill that nigga. If a nigga try me, I'ma kill that nigga. All my niggas be with it, man, we straight seeing green figures. Seeing green figures, but I hope them bullets miss you. If a nigga try me, then I'ma shoot you with that missile.
Shoot you with that pistol. Fuck it, I'ma blow this fucking whistle. I'm on this shit, I'm never losing, I'm just winning. Y'all niggas really fake, it's just the fucking beginning. I'm trying to get it, man, I swear I'ma be fucking killing. I'm on the streets, I'm king, I'm trying to get this money. Y'all niggas really fake, man, y'all niggas really funny. I don't like these fake niggas, I put them in the fucking crate. I kill these niggas down, I swear I don't play. Ooh, I'm really on and I'm going strong, I'm going long, I'm running with my team, ain't got no time for dreams. But fuck it, I'm about to leave, I'm about to pass this shit.
Man, I'm finna procrastinate and shit. Fuck it, nigga, you the bait. Throw you in the water, let that motherfucker sink. You better fucking bite it. Oh, here goes the bait. But when you fucking bite it, it's gonna rip up your face. You know we really coming. We coming really hard. We coming nighttime. We coming really on. We coming fully on. You know we fucking get it. We fucking shooting niggas, and we don't never miss it. Never quitting. Yeah, I was about to say never like care some shit like